Hey everyone, fall is almost here, and I picked up one of these cinnamon brooms that they sell at the supermarket. I thought it would be fun to decorate it and hang it here in the kitchen. It should be a fun and easy project, so let's get started. We've got the broom, and these can vary in price. I've seen them as low as $3.99. I believe that was at Lidl's supermarket, and I've seen them as high as $12.99. Next is an autumn pick from Hobby Lobby for $5.99. This is some ribbon that I thrifted for $1, and some floral wire and some wire cutters and scissors. I've taken the ribbon off of the spool so that it's easier to work with. And now I'm taking the end of the ribbon and curling it inward. And I'll hold that in place and start to make the next loop behind it. Right now there's one loop on each side and a smaller center loop. I'm just repeating the process of making loops, and I'll see how many I can make. I want to leave about 15 inches of ribbon at the end to use for the tail. Now I'll take the twisty and put it through the center loop, and I'm pinching it together at the center so I can twist it nice and tight. And I'll leave the twisty ends long enough to attach the ribbon to the broom. To shape the bow, I'm moving the loops in all different directions to make it look full. And really, it's just playing with it until you're happy with the way that it looks. And then once I have the loops spread out in different directions, I'm putting my fingers inside each loop to poof it out. And with that wire, it makes it easy to manipulate it. Now I'm ready to cut the tail off. I left about 15 inches, and that will be folded in half to hang on both sides. That's plenty because I didn't want the tail to hang too long anyway. Now I'll finish the ribbon end by folding the tail in half and making a diagonal cut. And then when you open it, there's a pretty dovetail. And I'll do the same for the other side. Now that the tail piece is cut, I'll pinch it in the center and add it to the back of the bow and twist it in with a twisty. And then from the front, it looks like it's all one piece. Now we can move on to attaching the stems. To me, this looks a little too bushy for the broom. I'd like it to look a little more clean, so I'll probably only use half of this. I'll use the clippers to cut them individually. Now when I stick the branches in, I want to leave enough broom showing at the bottom. So if I stick them in right underneath this cord, I think that will leave enough room at the bottom and it'll look good. So I'll start putting them in, and they do feel pretty snug, like they're not going to go anywhere. It's time to attach the bow, and I'm just placing it where it looks good and will hide the plastic stems. So I'm just flipping the broom over and twisty tying the bow on. And it is done. Now we get to hang it up. Just wanted to show you what it looks like on the wall. I just hung it up, and it has a little loop on the back to hang it with. And I really like the way it fills up the space, and it smells really good. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.